Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you how to install the Citrix Workspace Environment Management agent for the latest version as of today, the 2507. So yeah, I downloaded already, and in this video we'll just install it and check if it works. Run as administrator. I'm uninstall. Why do I have it already installed? Wait. I might have it installed. Okay. It's already installed. Then yes, other plan. And I need to revert to a snapshot. It was not installed. Okay, just waiting for it to be turned off. Come on. Okay, let me revert to a snapshot. So before install no domain, update no Citrix, this one. Yes. We can start. Should be up and running in no time. Okay. Connect. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so we have no agent. Just paste it. Paste the installer. Let's start from 0. Run as administrator, yes. We agree to the conditions. Oh, it needs Microsoft Edge web view, come on. I was not expecting this. Oh, I forgot. Okay, next. Next, and we have here on-premise. Now this is an interesting option, basic deployment without connection to an infrastructure service. Never seen this before. I only saw cloud and on-prem. So in our case, it's on-prem. Next. Now it needs the FQDN of the WEM 01.test.com. Important is to note those firewall ports, and if you have in your productive environment, they should be open so that the WEM agent can communicate with the infrastructure service. But as we can see, we can change them. Nevertheless, in my case, I will leave them exactly like this. This is an interesting configuration. We will leave this default, but in case you have a machine catalog, for example PVS, that is not persistent, you should route this cache to the D drive, or not to the, yeah, to the D drive, there where you also route, for example, the system, some events, or where actually the cache disk is created, so that you have them available during reboots. If you don't do that, this cache will be lost when the server restarts. So take that in consideration. In my case, this is a standalone VDA, so I can leave it like this. I will just go with next and install. Finish. Okay, so this was the install. Now to check if it is actually working, let me go to the web console. So here under monitoring, where is it? Monitoring agents, under registrations, we can see that we have here one. We have already our VDA, but it's writes here that it's not bound to any configuration set. So that is not a problem, because my current install of Workspace Environment Management is a blank one. I didn't configure anything, so we just have the default sites and unbound agents, so nothing is configured. Nevertheless, I had something configured, and I have completely reinstalled WEM. And let's do a nice test. Let's recover from a backup. As you can see here, we have the backup and restore, and we have also configured the storage folder, and this is on a remote machine, on a share. And because I have created a backup, then I can revert. So I created this backup today in the morning, and let's revert it. So here you have this restore option, and that's the default side. Okay, let me first, I forgot, we do need to create a configuration set, and I will give it the same name, test lab, save. Okay, and then we go to backup and restore, and we restore it the same on a configuration set with the same name. Just click restore. Restore started. This will take a little bit of time. It's not an immediate action, but we will see here, yes, successfully restored. Okay, now important thing is here that what this does, it restores, but only the configuration set. So only this part, only the configurations that you have done previously. So for example, if I go here to system optimization under CPU management, I did enable the CPU spike protection, and I believe I have done also some agent configurations. So I've checked all these, and somewhere with monitoring, I don't know, monitoring. So the insights, I also enabled the insights. So I didn't do too many configurations. Nevertheless, it will only restore this part. It will not restore the directory objects. So you need to also create or have a list of directory objects that you have configured if you have a disaster recovery or something like that. So keep in mind that this restore will only restore the settings. It will not restore the computer objects that the AD objects that you have configured. And let's also add an organizational unit, and I will add an organizational unit where my server that I just installed the agent on is present. So if I go into AD, open the Active Directory, my VM is exactly in that O. So VDA 01, it's in VDA standalone. And now if we go back, hopefully the agent has started to communicate with the server. So under monitoring agents, then we have registration, and I believe we need to do a refresh or something like that. Let me just restart the service, or maybe I restart the entire VDA. Let me try first with the service. So services, and again searching for Citrix WEM agent host service. So let's restart this guy here to see if it starts to communicate, or do we need to restart the entire VDA? Where am I here? Okay, some actions happened, so it's registered. Refresh. Okay, so we are in business. So it is it has contact to the agent. Now the synchronization does take a little bit of time, but we can push that if we refresh the cache. Okay, and here in this this task history, you can see whatever commands you have done recently. Let's refresh. Okay, and we are synchronizing. So we have it functional, and let me also try to do a login to see that pop-up message, so that we are 100% sure that it is working. Is it? Yay. Let me sign out. And let me reconnect. Now we should see that WEM splash screen. Yeah. So this is a good sign. We see the agent. And if we click about, it's the version that we installed. Yeah, thank you for watching. This was it. So in this video we installed, we also restored a configuration set from a backup, and we checked that our agent can register with our infrastructure server, and it is synced. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of videos.